Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
CABAX, it will provide you the cabinet configuration detail as well as TX output power value. You will get the radio unit board details, product code, LED status and hardware revision, manufacturing date as well as serial number. Let's suppose if you are using LHSH space BXP underscore 2 underscore 1 space WARPA space read space DL underscore PM underscore PAO underscore CO. You will get the TX output power value. Here 3007743 is here TX output value. You have to use the remaining commands to check the other cells values also. If you want to get the output power value, you have to use get space dot space power. You will get the TX output power value. Output power is 60 here and maximum transmission power is 43.7. Let's suppose if you want to change the power, you have to use the following method: get space dot space power, set space EUtron cell FDD space 43. This command will modify from 60% of 43.7 to 20%. Again use the command st space cell, again block the cell, BL space cell, again deblock the cell. You will get the modified result. If you want to check the security connection, you have to use PR space security command. Security should be using during handset connection to RRC. RRC is nothing but radio resource control. If you want to get the full details, you have to use get space the proxy value as 962. If it is true, use the security during RRC connection. If it is false, do not use security during RRC connection. If you want to check the transmission mode status, you have to use get space system C command. Based on the result, you will came to know what kind of modes are using. Let's suppose MIMO is nothing but multiple input, multiple output. SIMO is nothing but single input, multiple output. Whereas SISO is nothing but single input, single output. We are getting the value 3, which is nothing but multiple input, multiple output. If you want to get the antenna status, you have to use get space dot space antenna. You will get the configured antenna details for each sector. If you want to check the number of TX branches for each sector, you have to use get space dot space number of TX. You will get the number of TX branches for each sector. If you want to check the license server details, you have to use the command license space server. It will provide the license details. If you want to check the fingerprint, you have to use get space dot space fingerprint. It will provide the fingerprint details. Let's suppose if you want to upgrade the license key file, you have to follow the below mentioned procedure. You have to keep the license key file in XML format, switch on the FTP, assign the username and password, and assign the laptop IP address, and follow the below mentioned procedure. ACL space 6 is a proxy value, then ACC space 6 space update license key file. It will ask the 4 parameters. You have to assign the username, password, laptop IP address, and the license key file in XML format. Once it is executed, you want to check the license key file status. You have to use the command INV. It will provide the existing as well as updated license key file details. If you want to conduct the ping test, you have to check the IP through get space dot space IP address. You will get the IP address of the E node B. If you want to conduct the ping test of IUB as well as O&M, towards the ethernet network, you have to follow the procedure ACC space IP access host ET space ping. It will ask the IP address details. You have to feed the IP address and execute it. If you get alive, it means visibility is okay. If it is not getting the alive, that is no answer, which means visibility is lost. Same thing, ACC space IP OAM space ping. This is a OAM gateway. Again, you have to feed the IP address, then execute it. You will get the result. If it is no answer, means visibility is lost. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, subscribe.